This is a stabilizer, voltage stabilizer for an air conditioner. You can see the huge toroidal transformer inside it. Toroidal transformers have higher efficiency than conventional transformers. And you can see the circuit inside here also. Relays and various components, capacitors. This one is a 12 volt relay in the center. You can see 12 volt DC relay. Here you can see a few preset potentiometers. These are preset potentiometers, 3 transistors, resistors, and these are capacitors. You can see capacitors, electrolytic capacitors.